guys, welcome back to another Magic Maths lesson. We're going to get straight in and start with shouting out our numbers 0 to 20. Are you ready? Steady, go. Doing really well. See if you can make them on your fingers as well, if you've got enough fingers. Okay, now we've been through that, we're going to practice our counting. And we're going to start by counting in ones to 20, forwards and backwards, and then we're going to have a go at doing something really tricky, and we're going to count in twos, okay? Now, first of all, we're going to start at 1, work all the way forwards in ones, all the way up to 20, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. We're going to go backwards now. This is a little bit trickier, but I want you to have a really good go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Super counting, guys. Now, if you wanted to get to a number like 10 or 20 and you wanted to get there a little bit quicker, you could be really sneaky and you could count in twos instead of ones. And when we count in twos, we could start from any number really, but in this case we're going to start on 2, and we're not going to count every single number. We're only going to count the numbers in the 2 times table, okay? And we're going to practice by going all the way up to 10, and all of the numbers in the 2 times table are even numbers, so that helps us work out which ones we need to miss out. So we're going to start at 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And can you see we didn't use every number, we only used the numbers in the 2 times table, and we got there a little bit quicker. And I think next time we'll practice having a go going in twos all the way up to 20, and we might even have a go at practicing counting in our 10 times tables too. Okay, we've got a question today, and it says, which numicon represents the biggest number? That's the first question we're going to work on. Now, some of you might be looking at the numicon pieces thinking straight away you know exactly what they represent. Some of you might have forgotten how to use them. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a go at trying to count the circles to help us remember what the numicon represent. So this shape here, can you see we've got 1, 2, 3 circles. So this numicon piece represents the number 3. In this numicon piece, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. So this numicon piece represents 5. And in this numicon piece, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. So this numicon piece represents 4. So we've got 3, 5 and 4. Can you work out which is the biggest number? Now remember, we could have a look at which number comes furthest along on a number line. So I could start writing my numbers out. So I've got 3, and that comes first. I've got 4, that comes next. But the number which is furthest along the number line is 5. So 5 is the biggest number. We could also work this out by using our fingers. We could have 3, only 3 fingers, 4, a few more fingers, 5, lots more fingers. And that is how we can see that that is a bigger amount. It also says here, Is there anything the same or different? Now some of you will see that these two Numicon pieces are the same kind of shape. And I know that one of the children in Mrs. Young's class was very clever, and he worked out that the Numicon pieces which are this shape are odd numbers. We have 1, 2, 3. That wasn't in the 2 times table when we counted to 10 a minute ago. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that wasn't in the 2 times table when we counted earlier. They are the odd numbers. Now we're going to move on to our subtraction. And this time I'm going to use a 10 frame model on the bus to help us. I wonder if any of you have been on a bus. I know that I've been on a bus just like this one in London. Shall we see how many people are in the window? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 people in the bus to start with, but at the next stop, 3 people get off the bus. So 3 people have been subtracted from our 10 frame. 10 take away 3. How many people are left? Shall we have a look? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we take 3 people away from the 10 people, we are left with 7. Now at the next stop, 2 more people get off. So we had our 10 people to start with, and now 5 people have gone, and they've been subtracted from the 10 frame. So now we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people left on the bus. 10 take away 5 equals 5. At the next stop, 1 more person gets off. And this time, there are 6 empty spaces in our 10 frame, which means 6 people have been subtracted from the original amount. So that's 10 take away 6. Shall we see how many we've got left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 people left on the bus. 2 more people get off the bus. So now 10 take away. Oh, how many people have got off the bus? We know how many people are left here. We might have to count the blank spaces to work out how many people have gone. Shall we do that together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 take away 8 equals 2. And that was the end of the bus journey. So now you've got a magic challenge to do, which mums, dads, carers, whoever you're at home with can help you with. And I want you to have a go at covering the faces on the sheet to work out the number sentences. Good luck, and I'll see you next time for our next Magic Maths lesson.